if you're watching this video, you are involved in cryptocurrency and you're watching the market just drop and go down. It's all red right now, blood in the streets. You've lost money, I've lost money. Our portfolios are just a little bit smaller. And in this video, I'm going to go over some of the lessons I learned and how I am going to change my strategy up so that I won't get wrecked again, and that I could actually take advantage of these times rather than be like, oh, the market's all down, there's blood in the streets and I'm bleeding out on my portfolio. So you know what I mean? So we're going to learn together. Look, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to 1 Bitcoin. That is my goal. I'm brand new to the cryptoverse, cryptocurrency. I just started in December and I'm just learning. I'm just looking around, just learning what I could learn. And so this is the market right now. Oh, by the way, if you're feeling generous, go ahead and hit like, and if you want to follow, go ahead and hit subscribe. So this is the market right now. It's all down. Everything is red. Look, from top to bottom. Is the only light in this dark universe is ADA, right? And Nano. And who's heard of Nano? I've never heard of Nano. So, but otherwise, if you're holding cryptocurrencies, it's a red day. And people say buy the dip. Well, here's the problem. I have no money. I've already invested a lot of money, and the money that I have, I got to pay bills with. I got to, keep as a little bit for bills and stuff. So here's my other MetaMask wallet. Okay, I had a lot more Ethereum. I have $1,000 worth of Ethereum. I had $2,000 worth of elon or dogecoin. I had $1,000 worth of SHIB and like almost $2,500 of Akita. And then here's my other wallet, my Trust wallet. And so everything was up. Now everything's down. SafeMoon, SafeMars, Gamer. These are just my high coins and stuff like that. So what are we supposed to do? How are we supposed to think about this? And so there are 2 lessons that I learned in regards to just what the state of YouTube is, the state of cryptocurrencies. And there's 2 lessons. One, no one can predict anything. Okay, if they say they can predict something, they really can't. I just don't believe it. Maybe technical analysis, fundamental analysis will give you a picture of what's going on. But here's what I think is this first point. I don't believe anyone can predict anything, and here's why: is that anyone can predict one of these coins is going to go up. Anyone can predict that any one of these random coins, FEG's going to go up. Shiba Inu's going to go up, SafeMoon's going to go up, ADA's going to go up. Of course it is. We're in a bull market. They're all going to go up. No one, I've looked at a lot of videos, no one predicts the drop. No one absolutely predicts the drop. And I think this is why, is because it's impossible to predict the drop. Yesterday, Elon Musk tweeted, we're not accepting Bitcoin anymore for Teslas. Boom, tanks the market. Yesterday, VB, the creator of Ethereum, donates $1 billion to India. Okay, I love that. I'll make another video for that. There's not that video, but boom, tanks the market. You know what I mean? So these random catalysts by just 2 people affected the market in big ways. And how much affect the market, I'm not sure, but I see red and I see blood in the streets, and there are vultures out there on a wire ready to just pick people off from here and just buy up these bags. And I think I'm not in that position right now. And the reason why is because I did not dollar cost average out. Why? Because you start dollar cost averaging out when you think the market's going to go down. So you start dollar cost average. You don't really dollar cost your way out when the thing is up. At least I don't think so. And so I think that's the lesson here for me. If I start to dollar cost average out a little earlier, I'm able to take those profits out and then just kind of I might not see as big of profits, but I keep the profits that I have. Now, here's the other reason why to dollar cost average out. And this is my second lesson for you and me today, is that when I take out profits to buy the dip, I usually take them out into BTC, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETH, or USDT or USDC. I haven't really used USDC yet. I've been using Tether more, but it's because a lot of people say to use USDC better. I don't know what the difference is, honestly. I'm brand new, okay? So someone explain it to me in the comments. But when you take those profits out and into those probably a little more stable, especially the stable coins like the US dollar, you are then able to keep that. And when the market tanks, then you could buy it all up. Because if you want to see here, if I had money to in Bitcoin, I could have bought more VET because it's at 18 cents. I could have bought more Matic or more BNB. BNB was at like 550 for a long time. I could buy it buy it up right now. Everything is down like 10%. So it's like a flash sale. Bitcoin yesterday was down as low as like 47,000 again. And so that's what I'm talking about. It's like I need to think better on I can't get blinded by this flash greed. Like I feel like the market is just blinded by this greed. All these little meme coins are coming out. It's a bull market. Honestly, any one of these and all these can pop off. Like legitimately, they could double your money, triple your money, and then they'll drop just in a heartbeat. And for me, I personally have to get more disciplined at just saying thank you for the profits, but I've taken my enough, and I'm about to leave. And that's happened to me a couple times. And here's the big problem though. The big problem is that if I'm on the Uniswap, I gotta pay those high gas fees, $250 for a swap. It's like there's gas. It's like a gas pandemic right now in the real world and the cryptoverse. It's like the Wild West. Like I'm in Port St. Lucie, Florida, all across the eastern seaboard of the United States. If you haven't heard, we have no gas. Everyone's running around for gas and stuff like that, pumping up, filling. It's crazy. And then I go on Uniswap. I'm like, oh, finally, I get away from that mess. And now the gas fees are insane. You know what I mean? So it's just I don't know. It's just crazy. Here's the last bit, and this is the third point, and I want to end on hope for you and I, because you and I, we're different, okay? You and I, we need to have diamond hands, gorilla arms, lizard brain, kindergarten brain. And that's how we're going to get through this. We need to hold, okay? Don't panic sell when all this drops. Don't panic sell to when you start seeing red. No, you panic buy. This is when you and I need to look around the house and we're going to say, okay, what can I see? What am I going to sell to get more money, to get more cash, and then buy these dips, because this will be eaten up. This alt season, this bull run is far from over. Do I know when it's going to end? No. All this is not financial advice. I got to say that, or something bad will happen to me. I guess someone will sue me. I don't know. But all of this will not end yet. It's too early, and I think this little crash, I think it's going to last about 3-4 days before everything starts picking up back up again, because people will eat up this dip, man. It's a flash sale. I think people are still, new money is still going to pour into this market. New money is still going to buy up these dips, and it's going to be awesome. And here's the bonus fourth point is that all these like these stimmy checks coming out, especially in the U.S., Canada, Europe, all these other places. Everyone's getting these stimulus checks, or government aid or whatever. We're gonna go all into Bitcoin. We're all gonna go into cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? So I think this is an opportunity. It's an opportunity to learn from our mistakes. One, we need to start dollar costing averaging out. At least myself. I don't know about you. You might be already doing it because you're probably smarter than me and all this kind of stuff. But what that does, it not only locks in profits, but it gives you liquidity to buy in for other opportunities like today, like when the market crashes today. And you're like, oh, everything on sale? I got some spare money. Let's go in. And when I say spare money, like spare Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, or whatever. Because I don't know. I think people, if you're in crypto, you've already exhausted a lot of your money. And if you're like me, I don't have a lot of money outside of crypto. My bank account is looking slim. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm trying to. That's why I'm in crypto, to try to make some money and make a better life for my family. Anyway, these are my thoughts. These are my lessons, especially on this market drop, this market crash, this dip. Let me know what your thoughts are too. I'd like to know what you're learning in your crypto journey. If you want to follow me along in my crypto journey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell. It's the Wild West. We need a whole bunch of partners around here. And if you next time you think about hitting the like button and you're feeling generous, go ahead and donate one to me. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the moon.